Hi! Today I will tell you a story how broken things can excite and inspire us. This is one of my earliest works. I did it when I just started working with epoxy resin and buying different findings in online stores. I didn't really know which stores are good and which are better to avoid. So what I did was just buying things in different stores, and after testing them out, I chose the ones I liked most. In one of the stores, I bought this small pony pendant with little stars. It was just a flat figure with star-shaped holes in it. I don't really know why I ordered it back then and what I intended to create. Maybe I just liked it and thought it was cute, so I got it. It happens to me all the time. But I got a defective one. There was a huge dent around one of the stars, so it was absolutely impossible to use it as it was. But as it was the time when I only started creating and working with resin, I tried lots of techniques and experimented a lot. To make a long story short, I'll tell you what I did back then. I made a layer of epoxy resin. Mind that it shouldn't be thick, because the resin might leak. And you should always protect your working area. After that, I sprinkled some glitter on the resin. Composition looked too simple for me, so I took such little glitter stars and put them on top of it. I was going to leave it like that, but I got worried that these stars might come off one day, because I put them on the glitter, not on the resin, and it wasn't a fact that they managed to secure well. So I decided to make a final layer of epoxy resin. Yeah, this is what happens if you pour too much, and if your pendant doesn't have a rim. But it's not a big deal, you can just put your pendant on some sort of a platform and the excess will leak down. If there are dry drops on the back, you can just wipe them off with the help of acetone. Thanks to the final layer of resin, the pendant looks much cooler, shinier, and complete. And we're done. It's time to attach the findings and the pendant is ready. Actually, this method will do for all flat molds and bases like hearts or clouds. Try experimenting with the color of glitter and vary your pendants. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, ask them. If you have any suggestions, write them. And I love you this much. Bye!